Elena Christa from Romania has been a carer in the UK for the last 9 years. But under government plans, foreign carers like her would be prevented from coming to work here.
I would probably feel a bit sad, to be fair. I like working in the care sector because I interact with people. I learned and hear all kind of life stories. I learn how basically to look after the elderly.
Ali George runs this 28-bed care home in Cardiff. He relies on carers like Eleanor to help provide the support his residents need. And he says he struggles to find British workers to do the job.
Whilst social care is one of the most diverse sectors in Britain, it's become reliant now on overseas workers coming in to fill these gaps, with more people leaving the sector than they are coming in. And it's still extraordinarily hard to recruit new people, younger people into care. I think social care is being absolutely left behind by the people who are actually in charge of running it.
The Home Secretary, Yvette Cooper, says the government is introducing sweeping changes to immigration policy and claim these new plans to tackle immigration will see 50,000 fewer visas issued this year alone.
We are very clear we need to bring net migration substantially down. It is currently falling, but we need to go much further. That's what the plan is about. It's about restoring control and order. It's about preventing this chaotic system where we had overseas recruitment soar while training in the UK was cut.
Immigration has been a headache for successive governments who've battled in vain to reduce net migration, which quadrupled under the Conservatives.
The last government made some very serious mistakes with immigration. They allowed it to be far, far too high. So let me start with just a very honest acknowledgement of that fact.
So Boris Johnson's record number, 900,000 net migration, that was
a mistake. That was a huge mistake, and that should not have been allowed to happen.
The government will publish detailed plans on immigration reform on Monday, including stricter rules on who can come here to live and work. But critics say the plans don't go far enough.
The quantity of removals is, frankly, a drop in the ocean. The way to get our economy going is to freeze immigration, get wages up for British workers, train our own people, get our own people who are economically inactive back into work. We've got 9 million people economically inactive in this country.
7 and 4, 74.
For social care, the tighter recruitment rules could put this struggling sector under even more pressure. Care England, which represents thousands of providers, has described the government's plans as a crushing blow, impacting those who provide care and those who need it. Nick Martin, Sky News.